Welcome! This is Brooke with the Karlie and Brooke channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 similarities between Instagram and the web, and how you can utilize them. If you're not taking advantage of these 3 things, you're missing out. So 1, hashtags. Hashtags are used similarly to a browser as metadata for people to find your posts. So just like you would search for something on the web, you typically have something in mind, right? Well, Instagram knows that. So when you're putting hashtags on your posts, really think about what people are looking for when they're looking for your post. And what are they going to search for? Think about that the same way that you would think about searching for something on the web. When you're typing something in the search bar, you're looking for something specific, right? The web browser knows, based off of what you're searching for, what to pull up. You have power over that as a content creator. You get to tell Instagram exactly what kind of keywords people are going to search to find your post. So think about that from the user standpoint. What are they searching for that will bring your post up? Number 2, we also have alt text. So alt text is interesting. It's used in the browser for if an image isn't rendering, it pulls up the alt text, and it's also used for screen readers. It's used the same or similarly in Instagram. So if people are visually impaired, it'll help them find your post and your content. So it opens your content up to a wider audience. And finally, 3, which I think is the most important, is sharing, linking, tagging. All of this is important because it helps people find your stuff, right? It helps people find your content and your account. If people are linking to your stuff, browsers and Instagram will think your account and your content is more important, especially if you have high-profile accounts linking to you or commenting on your feed or following you. It helps your content find new eyes faster. If you found this helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think, and I hope to see you on our next video. Thanks for watching.